Sometimes the confusion is about whether to choose a cashless or reimbursement claim, whether to file it through the online portal or mobile app, and what exact step need to be followed. If the process is not clear, it can lead to unnecessary delays and your payment may get stuck. But don't worry, we are here to guide you because 90% of people make these common mistakes while filing a health insurance claim, and that's why their claim get delayed. So let's make sure you don't. And before I explain the entire process, make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important detail. So before we start, hi, I am Mariam and you are watching PolicyHub. At PolicyHub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you want to watch this video in Hindi, do check our Hindi channel. And if you have any query, then you can book your free consultation with us and link is given in the description. And in today's video, we will understand how to file a Niva Bupa reimbursement claim step by step. Whether your claim is for hospitalization, health checkup or pre and post hospitalization expenses. This video will guide you through the complete process. And if you are confused about how to file a claim, this video is just for you. And I will also show you how to fill the claim form manually, which you need to upload while submitting your claim. And I will guide you step by step on how to file a claim both online and offline, and how to correctly fill the claim form, and which sections are mandatory and what documents you must attach to avoid rejection. So watch this video till the end and make sure your claim is filed correctly and smoothly without any delay. And before filing a claim, make sure all your documents are properly arranged. For example, if you are filing a pre-hospitalization claim, you will need documents such as discharge summary, doctor prescriptions, medical reports, bill, ID proof and cancel check. And also ensure that your total file size is less than 7 MB. And if you don't prepare this in advance, you may waste time compressing file again and again. Let's start with the cashless claim process. Cashless claim is used when you take treatment in a network hospital of Niva Bupa. And before admission, you should always check whether the hospital is part of the insurer's network list. At the time of admission, you need to show your health card or policy details at the hospital's insurance desk. And you will be required to fill out a pre-authorization form, and the hospital will send this request directly to the insurance company. Once the claim is approved, the hospital bills are settled directly between the hospital and the insurer. You only need to pay for non-medical items if consumables not covered in your policy or any deduction that are not approved. And now let's understand how to fill the claim form. First, download the Niva Bupa reimbursement claim form and fill part A. So in the details of primary insured section, enter the proposer's name, policy number and complete address with PIN code. Next comes the insurance history section. And this is optional because you are already attaching the policy copy and mentioning the policy number. So it is not mandatory to fill it separately. And after that, fill in the details of hospitalized person, including name, gender, occupation, relationship with the proposer and address. And then comes the hospitalization details section, where you need to specify whether the claim is related to hospitalization or pre-hospitalization or post-hospitalization. You also need to mention the room category, reason for hospitalization, date of admission and date of discharge. And in case of pre and post hospitalization claim, you can leave the room category blank. And next is the claim detail section. Here you must clearly mention the expense breakup, such as how much amount is for pre-hospitalization and how much is for post-hospitalization. Always enter the amount only in the relevant section based on your claim type. For example, if your claim is for a health checkup, mention the amount in the health checkup section. And if it is for ambulance charges, mention it in that specific section. And if your expense does not fit any category, you can mention it under others. And then tick all the documents you are submitting. And another is details of bill enclosed. In this section, you have to mention the bill number, bill date and amount. And finally, fill in your bank details carefully and double check them before submission. And now let's move to the reimbursement online claim filing process. So go to the official Niva Bupa website, navigate to the claim section and click on reimbursement claim. Then click on submit now. A page will open where you need to enter your policy details and the date of birth of the policyholder, and then click submit. After this, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and email ID, and verify the OTP and new page will open. And here you click on submit new claim and then select create new claim. And next step is that the personal detail page will open. Enter your policy number and select the patient's name, and once selected, the gender and date of birth will be auto-filled. And then click on save and next. Now the hospitalization details page will appear. select the category of claim, for example, pre and post hospitalization. You also need to enter the main claim number related to the hospitalization and then mention the cause of hospitalization. If the exact reason is not available in the option, select other and proceed. And after that, enter the hospital city, hospital name, date of admission, date of discharge, and total claim amount. And then click on save and next. And next, fill in your bank details and proceed. And after that, upload all the required documents one by one and finally submit the claim. And once submitted, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. So generally, within a week, you will start receiving updates on your claim status. And if all details are correctly filed and all documents are properly submitted, your claim is usually processed within a few working days. And in reimbursement cases, the approved amount is credited directly to your bank account. And if you want to avoid confusion and stress during the claim process, we can help you. At PolicyHub, we support our customer from policy purchase to final claim settlement. We guide you with documentations, assist in claim submissions, and actively follow up in genuine cases to ensure smooth approval. And if you are looking for a reliable insurance advisor or planning to buy a policy with proper claim support, you can book your free consultation with us and link is given in the description. I hope this video helped you to filing your claim. And if it is, then do like it, share it and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.